Morning guys, so the weather is much calmer today, at least it seems like it. It seems a lot calmer, it's nice and sunny. I was absolutely freezing last night, all throughout the night. It was really cold and now it's still very chilly. Like, I'm wearing so many layers. I have this jumper on, another jumper, and then a fleece hoodie underneath. That's how cold I am. I'm very excited because I think we can actually set off today. It's a lot calmer, you can't really see much of the wind. I mean, I think the wind is still relatively strong, but nowhere near to the extent how it was yesterday. So it should be totally fine to sail for us. We'll try to motor first, but I'm sure we'll put at least maybe the Genoa up. The plan for us is to go to Cannigione. I'll show you on the map. So right now we are at Porto Rotondo, which is over here. So we're just basically sailing across here, up and to Cannigione. And I don't know if we are going to manage to go to Corsica on this holiday. Corsica is all the way here, as you can see. And I just feel like because we wasted effectively, we sort of lost 2 days of sailing because of the weather conditions. I don't actually know if we'll be able to get to Corsica on this holiday just because we have limited time. And we don't know how the weather is going to be for the rest of the week. It's not going to be very calm. Yesterday we literally had a gale, we couldn't sail, nobody got out from the marina, it was way too strong. So fingers crossed, as long as the wind is on our side from now on, we'll be able to do some decent sailing. And yeah, I'll take you along. The wind is actually still pretty strong. I didn't realize when I was inside because you can hear it as much as last night / yesterday. It's raging, as you can see. Look at me, all wrapped up. And then we'll be on a better reach, hopefully, because right now we are literally going downwind. The wind is blowing behind us, literally in a pretty straight line. Cannigione, you guys. Very, very close. So I'm just gonna put my camera away and show you once we pack, show you around. I'm very curious how it's like. in Cannigione, and I think we are going to go and explore a bit. But yeah, there's a rainbow. Literally, we had the rain for about 5-6 minutes, so hopefully the weather will get better once we go exploring. We are hoping to go and find somewhere to eat. I guess maybe it's a bit too early, but it's weird because technically you're not supposed to have anything big after 6, but here people start serving food at about 8. Literally, we went to this one restaurant and they said, oh, we're not going to start serving, or we're not going to take orders even before 7:30. They do it a lot later, which I don't think is healthy at all. My only worry is they might not be open just because it's not the season. I look around. We were hoping to get to the thing over there, this thing, but we can't get through. It might be like an old construction or private construction perhaps. We just found the supermarket without any struggle. Thank God for that. I think we are going for drinks, guys. Can you even see me? I doubt you can. We are off for some drinks. Hopefully we'll be able to find a bar or something. Somewhere. It's so dark and so cold. I'm wearing so many layers. This harbour seems a lot more lively than the other one. Halloween tomorrow.
Yeah, Cafe Mediterranean.
Cafe in Mediterranean.